Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing and setting up the TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi extender. If you're looking to improve your home Wi-Fi coverage, this could be exactly what you need. Let's dive into the unboxing of the TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi extender. Inside this sleek box, you'll find everything necessary to boost your Wi-Fi signal. In my home, the Wi-Fi router on the ground floor doesn't reach my room on the first floor. To address this, we purchased a Wi-Fi extender. Let's see how well it works. It comes with a 3-year warranty. For more details on warranty services, you can check the toll-free number provided. Inside the box, we've got the quick installation guide. This guide provides detailed instructions on how to install the extender, making the setup process a breeze. And here's the star of the show, our TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi extender. Look at how compact this device is, perfect for blending into any room without being an eyesore. On the front, you'll find 4 LED lights, which will indicate the status of your Wi-Fi connection, making it easy to monitor at a glance. And right here, next to the LED lights, is the WPS button. This is a super handy feature for quickly connecting the extender to your router. We'll cover the WPS method in a separate video, alright, now that we've unboxed the extender. Come on, let's see how to connect this Wi-Fi extender with the router. First, plug it into a power outlet in a central location. You'll see the indicator lights start flashing. This means it's ready for setup. Next, grab your smartphone and head over to the App Store or Play Store. Search for and install the TP-Link Tether app. You can also scan the QR code in the quick installation guide to get the app directly. Once the app is installed, let's open it and start configuring the Wi-Fi extender. First, you'll land on a screen that asks you to choose your device type. Select Range Extender from the list. Before proceeding, make sure your extender is plugged into a power outlet close to your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, indicating it's ready for setup. Click Next, and the app will search for the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender signal and sync it with the application. The first time you set it up, you'll need to create a TP-Link administrator password. This password will be required for any future modifications in the app. So choose a password of your preference. Next, the app will display a list of all available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to extend. If you see an alert message saying this network's signal strength is weak, it's recommended that you move the extender closer to the router. I'll go ahead and relocate the extender closer to the router and try again. Now that the extender is relocated, select the Wi-Fi network again and enter the password. Once everything is set, click Next to apply your settings to the Wi-Fi extender. Now, everything is ready. You can find the extended Wi-Fi signal, which will end with EXT in your Wi-Fi name. Connect to it using your Wi-Fi password and check the Wi-Fi speed. An important thing to remember after installation is to relocate the Wi-Fi extender to the middle of your Wi-Fi range. For example, in my case, the Wi-Fi router is on the ground floor, and I want to extend the Wi-Fi to the first floor. So, I first plugged the extender near the router and completed all the configurations. After that, I moved the extender to the first floor. This way, I can get better speed, otherwise using the extender won't be effective.